it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this gorgeous choker necklace using the bargain bead box for October of 2023. It is called Falling Leaves, and there definitely were a lot of leaves in this. Like I said in the last video, I wasn't too crazy about the rose gold, but what I like to do with it is just use it in little pops of color and not like do it throughout, because I think it's too distracting to the eye. So just like having little bunches of it, then it just gives it that really pretty pop, but it's not overwhelming. So yeah, I really enjoyed making this necklace. This is my second tutorial from this box. So if you want to see how I made this, then stay tuned. So I'm starting out with about 22 inches of this beading wire. This is the closest that I have to match, and it does match my little pieces I'm using. So I don't know if you watched my first tutorial. I will leave that link below of the necklace that I made. It turned out really pretty, and I used these little brown wood. They're almost like spacer beads. And then I have these bigger ones too. And then I'm also doing these little wood round beads, because like I was saying in the last video, a little bit of rose gold is pretty, too much isn't. So I'm not the biggest fan of rose gold, but I love it in pops of color, you know, here and there. So I'm using those. I'm using the matte carnelian beads. I'm using the little crystal bicones that we have. And then I'm using these little nuggets and the little flower spacers. I'm using the aventurine, the regular ones, and then the faceted ones. And I have my barrel beads. And I'm using some of these little leaf beads here too. So what I did before I turned on the camera is I took this beautiful leaf pendant, filigree pendant, and I put a jump ring on there. So that's all you got to do, is put a jump ring on there. Then I have about 22 inches of this wire, and I'm also going to be using the toggle clasp. Let me get that out. Okay, so I have the toggle clasp. Oh, and I need to get crimp beads. Hold on one second. Let me grab this. What did I do with them? I'm just going to use these right here. I found them. Okay. Oh. Okay, now we have the crimp beads. Put those in there. Put this drawer back without knocking my camera. Okay, so I'm going to take the leaf pendant. I'm just going to put it through the beading wire, like so. Now I've showed you all the beads I'm using, so I'm going to move them out of the way, and then I'll just bring them in as I'm using them. Oh, and I also have these multi-sized little round wood beads too. I used them in my last video if you watched it. So, okay. So we have this right here. And now I'm gonna, let me grab this. I'm gonna start out with using, get that down there, one there. And one here. Let me pick this up so that it can, okay. So that's where we're at right there. I'm gonna take this and clamp this over to the side. It's always kind of squirrely when you're first starting it out. Okay, so I have this. Now I'm going to take one of my round ones, and I'm going to just take one of these nugget beads for now and put that there, and then put the other round one there, like that. Then I'm gonna do one of these gorgeous barrel beads. One of the matte carnelians and another gorgeous one of these, like that. And then I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna do 3, 1, 2, 3 of the rose gold, and the other one right there. Okay. So I'm gonna undo this one, put it right here. You go off to the side. I'm gonna start with this brown one. And these are very lightweight. I really don't remember where I got these. I wish I could, because I know everybody's gonna be asking me. And I'm gonna feel bad because I don't know. So we have it like that. And we're gonna do the barrel. Carnelian. And I'm doing this kind of like a choker style. The barrel. Then we'll do that. And we'll do 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. And that. So here we are so far. It's looking really pretty. So now I'm going to grab the green one. I'm going to do like a green, and then a round wood one, and then a green. Oh. Green. And then a round wood one. And then one more green. I'm doing a little pattern like that. And then I'm gonna do this pattern again. I loved the way this looked in the other necklace, so I know I am using it from my other necklace too. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab this and go over to there. Okay, so now we're gonna do this pattern. We'll do the green, the wood, the green, the wood, and the green. We have it like that. Then we're gonna go back in. We're gonna do 1, and we'll do 3 of the rose gold. 2, 3, and that. Okay. So this is it so far. It's looking so pretty. Love this. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with one of these greens, like that. I'm gonna go with the carnelian again. And then the other, I like this faceted beads. They're so pretty. Like that. I'm gonna flip this over. There, so now we're gonna go faceted, agate, and faceted. Like that. Then I'm going to do another one of these groupings. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and the brown one. Then I'm going to clip it over here and do this side. We'll do that. We'll do 1, 2, 3, and that. So that's where we're at so far. Now I'd like to use a barrel bead like that. Oh, these are just so gorgeous, these barrel beads. And then I'm gonna do another agate. I mean, not agate, carnelian, and then another green. I'm gonna switch this over. Barrel, carnelian, adventure. So look how pretty. I love these little patterns going on in here. I'm gonna do one of those. I'm gonna do a crystal bicone and another leaf bead going that way. I got that. I'll do this again. Oh. That. And that. Let me see how this fits around my neck. It's almost there. So pretty. Okay, so we have all that. So now I'm going to take some of these wood beads. So I have that. So now I'm going to do a wood. Where's that? A crystal bicone. And a wood. And a crystal bicone. And another wood bead. Yeah, this needed some wood or something to this box. It just, it was very pretty, but it needed, I don't know, it was too many bright colors, I guess you could say. And it, you know, wood can really mute something down so fast because it's just such a natural color. Okay, so let me see. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so here we are with this. So now I have my toggle clasp. Let me get my little crimp beads here. Okay, so we're going to start on this side. And put the, oh, where'd it go? Don't run away. We're going to do toggle clasp, or crimp bead. Take my round nose pliers. I love using these babies. Okay, I'm just going to kind of put that down a couple beads. Okay, here, I'll just do these. So I have those. I'm making sure that when I press that down, okay, pressing down, you want to make sure that the what do you call it? The wires are laying next to each other and they're not crossed over, because then it won't crimp right. And then you could be in trouble. Okay, I'm just going to kind of shove these in. I don't know why that's not going in. There might be a piece of wood in there. Okay, there we go. That's pretty much going through everything. And then through everything there. Okay. So here we are there. So now I'm going to pick this up like this. Just going to kind of circle this around. So I know there's no holes going on in there. And I'm going to put the crimpy through there. And then the toggle. And put the crimpy through again. Try and get it down through. I think those little wood beads are a little iffy on the inside. Okay, so now we're just going to pull that down till that's like that. I want a little bit of room, moving room right there. Take my bend chain nose pliers and I'm just going to give it a good smash right there. I'm going to pull on that. Those are fine. And you want to cut the right wire, not the wrong wire. Anybody who's cut the wrong wire before knows what I'm talking about. And here we have this gorgeous leaf beaded choker toggle clasp necklace. I didn't end up using these leaf beads, but I will be using them soon. So look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, I'm really loving this box. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments what you thought of it, and if you get the bargain bead box or not. I will leave a link below to that. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I suggest you do so you don't miss a tutorial. Don't forget to hit that notification bell too, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I try to do 3 to 4 a week. And I also have my links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest below. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments, and I will see you on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.